Hi everyone, my name is Kangs, and today I want to show you something. I had a comment from YouTube on one of my shots. Someone asked me, how do you connect how do you use your Android phone as a DSLR monitor? So today I'm gonna explain it, and I'll be very straightforward and very quick. So without wasting time, I'll go into that and I'll show you everything that you need to use your Android phone as your DSLR monitor. Everything you need, and it will be very short, quick, and very straightforward. So let's get into it. First of all, and most obvious, you need a DSLR and you need your Android phone or iPhone, depending. The second thing you need a capture card, okay, a video capture card. I don't know, okay, it was upside down. You need this video capture card. Behind it, it's usually a female HDMI normal, and you need I don't know whether to call it a mini HDMI or macro HDMI. I'm not sure about the whatever actual name for it. It's usually like this, as you can see. It's a HDMI, but this side it's a normal HDMI and the other one is slightly small. This side goes to the camera and this one goes to the video capture card. Okay, so once you connect that, you go to your camera and you connect your macro HDMI or mini HDMI, and I insist it should be a HDMI. There are so many ports in here. If you check your camera, there are so many ports, but I insist it should be a HDMI. Okay, you connect your HDMI to your camera like that, and then now to connect the video capture card to your phone, you need a OTG cable. Okay, and this is the OTG cable. Okay, depending on which type of phone you are using. Mine is a little bit older, so I'm using the older mini HDMI for Android. Yours could be Type C or something like that. And this side is a USB female. You connect, and then you connect to your phone. What you need is one application. This application is called USB camera. This is the application. This is the icon. You can check it on the Play Store or App Store, depending on the whatever phone you are using. Once you install that, if you open your application, it should launch automatically. And as you can see, whatever the image is here is what is here. I'm using my phone as a bigger monitor for the DSLR, and it's simple as that, straightforward. It's, once again, what you need is a video capture card, HDMI cable, OTG cable, and USB camera application. There are two applications. One is free and one is paid. Myself, right now, I'm using free one and it works very well. And there is a paid one. I believe it doesn't have ads and it's more professional and it's smooth. And for that application, here you have settings, because sometimes it will launch when the screen is vertical, so you can flip, you can rotate the video depending on how. Once it will launch, it might not appear the way it's appearing on the camera. So you can rotate, you can flip. All the settings are here, self-explanatory. So you can go ahead and enjoy your big monitor. Goodbye. See you on the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.